everyone, how's it going? I'm Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to do a low intensity workout for our outer thighs, our abductor muscles. If today is your recovery day and you still want to get some movement in those legs without having a lot of impact on those joints, then this is a perfect mini workout for you. Before you start any physical activity though, please do be sure to consult your doctor. And when you're ready, let's get started. I like to start and end my leg workouts with a wall sit. So we're going to come to the wall. Our feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. We're going to have our back and our butt and our lower back completely flush against the wall. So there's no gap, there's no air, no arching of the back. We're going to make an L shape, upside down L shape or 90-degree right angle between our butt, our knees, and our feet. And we're going to hang out here, tummy tight, deep breaths. I love this exercise because it works the entire lower body without much impact. And it's a great starter, a great warm-up for those muscles. Keep breathing. If your legs start to shake, that's perfectly normal. They may not be used to sitting down without a chair underneath them. So stand up, shake them out, and join me when you're ready. Or if you would like more resistance, you can grab a couple of weights or something heavy, or just reach your arms out. Just hang out here a little while longer, and then we're going to go straight onto the mat. Breathe. No arching of the back. Keep that back flat a bit against the wall. Counting down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Let me crawl over to the mat. I'm going to get on my left side. Okay, I'm going to hang out on my left side, my left hip. I'm going to bend my bottom foot, which is my left leg, for balance. I'm going to lean forward a little bit. I'm going to raise the right foot. And I'm going to make sure my toes are turned down because we want to work our outer thigh and not our quadriceps. So get comfortable and raise that foot up for now. Lean forward. I'm using my right hand for balance. And I'm going to raise it up. I'm never going to come down to the floor. I'm just going to starting point is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure that toes turn down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up for 10. Making sure you're leaning forward. Toes are turned down. All right, circles forward toward me. You can make big circles here. You should be starting to feel it in your outer thigh and your hip. Working those saddlebags or preventative maintenance. We don't want to get those saddlebags. And hold it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bring those knees in. Bring the one knee in. 3, keep the knee high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up. One more time. 2, 3, turn those toes down, making sure you're feeling it here, outer thigh. All right, back to the beginning. Pulse it up for 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up for 10. I'm feeling like this is a very retro exercise from the 80s, aerobics from the 80s, but still effective. All right, make circles. 2, toward me. Turn that toe down. Feeling it in the outer thigh. 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up. See if you can hold it higher, 1 more inch higher. Almost done on this side. All right, bring that knee in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up one last time on this side. See if you can go up 1 more inch. Whew. I'm feeling it. Turn that toe down. Hold it, hold it, Okay, we're gonna stretch out the right leg before we go work the left leg. So we have a couple of options. The first is to hook that right knee over the left. And if you're feeling it in your outer thigh and your outer hip, then you can stop here. I know some of you are very limber and flexible and you need a little bit more stretch, so you have a couple of options. The first is to take that left elbow over the right knee and hook it, and then look over past the right shoulder. So you've got a twist and a stretch. Whichever position you're in, keep breathing. Let that fresh oxygen go to your muscles that you just worked. The other option here is to unfold your legs a little bit. Relax the knees a little bit and then come forward. Your right leg is still on top of your left leg. Get a nice stretch for that outer thigh and the right hip. Breathe. Whichever position you're in, keep breathing. One more breath. All right, ready for the left side. So now we're gonna lie on our right side. Get comfortable. Bend that right leg for balance. You're gonna lean forward. I'm gonna use my left hand for balance. I'm gonna lift the leg up parallel to the floor. This is gonna be my starting position. All right, let me scoot on down. And then I'm gonna pulse it up for 10. Making sure my toes are turned downward so that the focus is primarily on their outer thigh and not the quadricep. All right. Now hold it up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, make circles toward me, big circles. Make sure that toe is turned down. Hold it up a little higher for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring that knee in. Keep the knee high. Keeping the leg high. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Going low intensity today. Make sure that toe is turned down. Holding it. Hold it. Raise the foot a little higher. See if you feel it on your outer thigh and your hip. Toning those hips. All right, pulse it up. Second set. 3, 4. Little movements. You're not coming down to the floor. Toes turned down. Isolating the outer thighs. Hold it up. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, make circles toward me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold it up. I'm starting to shake. My legs are shaking. My left leg is shaking. All right, toe turned down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, knee in. 2, keep the knee high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last time, hold it up. See if you can hold that leg a little bit higher, just a little bit more. Toe is turned down. Seriously, y'all, I feel very retro. 80s workout. All right, let's stretch it out. Okay, now this time you've got your left leg over your right, and this may be where you stop, or if you need a little bit extra, take that right elbow over the left leg, look past the left shoulder, nice low stretch for your outer thigh and your hip. Or if you're really feeling like you're very limber today, you can unfold your knees a little bit and crawl forward, only if your body wants to do this. Don't do the stretch for the sake of doing the stretch. We just want to stretch out the outer thigh, but let's not strain ourselves. Breathe. Wherever you are, breathe. Deep breath. Exhale. Let's do 2 more like this. Last one, get that good oxygen to those muscles you just worked. Feeling good. Okay, you know what's next. We're going to finish this workout with 1 more wall sit. So let me come over to the wall. All right. Feet are about shoulder width apart, hanging out here. Back and shoulders and butt completely flush to the wall. No gap, no air. Your butt is low so that you're making L shape or 90-degree angles with the floor. And I'm going to hang out here until I get tired. You guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this mini workout. Please try the other high intensity workouts in my volume and have a wonderful day. As always, be well.